I think for many of us, Christmas time is a time of overindulgence, food, drinks, snacks, alcohol, and then some. But for me, I've been trying to make better and healthier choices when it comes to what and how much I eat over the Christmas holiday, especially when it comes to snacks. I am a snacker. I'm always munching on something. A lot of times it's not always the best thing. However, this year I've decided to take a healthier approach to how I snack, as well as a healthier approach to how many carbs I consume. Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and I want to introduce you all to LOVIDIA. LOVIDIA's mission is to help people maintain a healthy lifestyle through the products that they offer. LOVIDIA makes their own products, as well as they retail other brands of consumables that complement their products in terms of offering health benefits and just helping you have a better, healthier lifestyle in terms of what you eat. One of the key components of the LOVIDIA way of healthy living is helping you to lower your carbohydrate intake. I'm pretty sure for Christmas, we eating and drinking all kind of thing. Cake, cookies, snacking on all sorts of stuff. Your plate have rice, pie, lasagna, potato salad. There's a lot of carb intake over the holidays. For me, on my plate, that's how it used to be, as well as in terms of a lot of the snacks that I would take or eat in between meals. They would be very high carb, and as for someone who has PCOS, taking in too many carbs isn't always the best thing to do. So LOVIDIA sent me a package that they have called their low carb package, which basically contains snacks as well as other things that you can munch on, still get your proper nutrition, and they just have a general lower carb intake as compared to other snacks. So I just opened the box, and as you can see, this is a good bit of stuff. So let's go through. So the first thing I picked up 2 packs of the Oatwell Crispy Hearts. This has oat beta glucan in it, and it has 3 grams of cholesterol lowering, oat beta glucan per serving. All the ingredients are natural and they're high in fiber. The next one I picked up is, we got 2 packs of the roasted edamame crunch dried snacks. Now I don't know if you've ever had edamame before. It is like kind of like a peas. It looks like a peas. It tastes really good. I tend to get these to munch on when I'm at Movino. So if these taste as good as the ones I get at Movino, then this is definitely a winner. The next thing I picked up is 2 packs of the Super Seeds Gourmet Pumpkin Seeds. This pack is sea salt flavor, and the smaller pack is cinnamon and sugar. They say no shells. It's a small batch dry roasted. It's all natural, peanut free, tree nut free, gluten free, vegan, and non-GMO. So in the box continuing, we also got 2 packs of the Sunbiotics Cheesy Almonds, organic, raw, gluten free, and non-dairy. So this is very interesting. I think I've probably had honey roasted almonds. I can't say that I've had cheesy almonds before. So this is something, I mean, I'm probably going to try everything, but this one in particular is very interesting. We have the Adapt Nut and Seed Bar in the flavor Vanilla Macadamia, and this only has 1 gram of sugar in it, which is actually pretty good for a bar this size. And we also have the Adapt Protein Bar, which has 1 gram of sugar, 16 gram of protein, and this flavor is double chocolate. It says no sugar added, and it's coated in dark chocolate. I absolutely love dark chocolate, so yeah, this is not going to last very long. Following that up, we have a pack of natural whole almonds. So this is Nunez Farms. It's usually from farm to market. It's basically just pure almonds, and almonds is one of my favorite nuts, so this is something I can keep in the office to just munch on between breakfast and lunch. Following up the almonds, we have the Primavera California Walnut Halves. I don't know. I'm very touch and go when it comes to walnuts. It's not that I don't hate it. I guess I just have to be in a mood for it. So hopefully these taste really good. So we have what looks like crackers. These are half-calorie thinnables. So 1 ounce of these crackers has 70 calories instead of 140. And the flavor is cinnamon and sugar, and it also has 12 grams of fiber. So the next thing we have is the Skinny Pop popcorn. Each serving, this is a serving, has 100 calories, 45 milligrams sodium, 0.5 grams saturated fat. It's non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial ingredients. Interesting name though, Skinny Pop. Getting into the bigger packs of stuff, we have the Thinnables half-calorie cheese crackers, and they are comparing these to the Cheez-It crackers. So they're saying that the Cheez-It crackers has 140 calories per 1 ounce. The Thinnables has 60 calories per 1 ounce. Also has 12 grams of fiber, 6 gram net carbs, and 4 grams of protein per 1 ounce serving. I think my husband might really be into these. He tends to like cheesy snacks, so this is one I'm pretty sure he's gonna have a good time with. And then last but most certainly not least is Light Penny. So Light Penny, they say that it has 40% less calories than standard pasta, and it has 19 grams of fiber, 8 grams of protein, 23 grams reduced net carbs, and it is non-GMO, and this is per 2 ounce serving. Now I absolutely love pasta, so if this pasta is saying that it has 40% less calories than the standard pasta, then I am definitely here for it. So overall, that is everything that you get in the low carb box. I'm really excited to give everything a try and to give you guys some sort of update to let you all know what my thoughts are on the different snacks. That entire box or that low carb package, the total for that is $29 US. And if you're interested in getting a low carb box for yourself, then you just happen to be in luck. You can use my code NELLYB to get 10% off of your order. So you can visit their website. I will put it in the description, and order whatever you want. Use my code and you can get 10% off. Is anyone else just trying to not overindulge and, just be a bit more conscious of what and how much and when they eat this Christmas? Or is it just me alone? Let me know in the comments. I, for one, have just been trying my best to just take my health a bit more seriously, my physical health that is, and try to get a bit more active and try to watch what I eat. And the minor changes that I've done so far, I've seen a difference in just how I feel, how my body feels, and I'm just looking forward to just continuing to feel good and feel better in my everyday living. So having this low carb box from LOVIDIA even gets me more excited to do so, because now I can snack without having to feel guilty about it afterwards. I can see myself literally keeping almost everything in that box in my desk drawer, so when I'm munching in the office, instead of walking on the road and getting something that may do my body more harm than good, I have something right there that is tasting great, hopefully, and that is better for me. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.